I'm Lumberjack Bud.
And I'm Regular Aryn.
And this is a glitter beard. So I want to show you one thing before we get started. I own more sparkly things than Aryn, and I don't know if that's something worth bragging about.
I don't think it's true.
Oh yeah, I think I own more. Yeah.
It is impressive for a male.
Okay, so we're setting up. Aryn had to trump me with all of her glitter. Look, I couldn't have my day. This is Aryn's glitter compound. So that is a real face of me being terrified.
The whole time. Faces of terrifyingness.
It's weird having all this stuff gunked in your beard. Like, you can feel it. Your beard gets heavier.
I don't know. What does it feel like to have your beard painted?
Just as bad because you're using water-based chameleon there, and you can feel it harden on the hair, so that's not cool either.
And it dries pretty fast.
It did, considering, but
Yeah.
when you have facial hair and you've got all that stuff, see, I'm just loving it right there, every bit of it. So you're just putting the colors right on there, right?
Yep. I figured to really get the most out of our glitter, I would paint underneath it so that it would look extra bright and awesome.
And that's like one of the ways people do it out there, right? There's a bunch of different ways you can do a glitter beard.
Yeah. I looked up most of them. This is something I've been wanting to do forever.
Yes,
so
she has.
I was very excited. My bud was like, today's the day. You can do it.
Yeah, and we're never doing it again.
Oh, come on. SantaCon.
No, well, maybe.
2018.
Yeah, it's like you could feel everything. You could feel it harden, and I guess what you've done too is you've put a thickened gel now. You can see it getting caked in on me.
It was like the world's stiffest boogers.
Well, and that gel's meant for ice effects in movies, and we've now tried to repurpose it for sparkle holding.
And it worked amazingly. What is that gel actually called? Ultra gel?
Yes, Ultra gel. You can get it at a friend's beauty supply out in LA, and it's great stuff. But now we found that it does hold glitter in your beard. We even did some speed tests with my head, and it just does not fall off.
It was magical. So right now I'm adding on all the sparkles, and he just got more and more magical by the moment.
I could be like New Age Mugatu, like younger Mugatu.
It's so beautiful. I couldn't stop looking at it.
It's very shiny. I will say that.
Sparkles.
We are finding that sparkles are still in my beard after this, and that's why they are the herpes of the makeup world.
Yeah, did you get any crap about that?
Yep. Yep. People keep asking me even though the glitter's gone in the real world. But look at that! Disco ball beard.
That's amazing.
There's a lot of colors there.
This is the sassiest beard I've ever seen. And that's how you make a sweet, sweet glitter beard for any party or occasion.
Mm-hmm. And if you're into beards and mustaches, you can check out my beard and mustache videos.
He has some sweet ones. They're hilarious.
Yeah, pretty awesome. And also, if you were kind of looking at what that gel looks like.
Ugh. It doesn't move.
So yeah, it's hardcore. And if you like other makeup videos, right there. But probably no more glitter beards.
Oh, come on! One more.
Nope.
2 more.
We'll do it on you.
Okay.
This is the only way.